All right, you guys, today is day 2 of Ireland. Remember, your box originally looks like this. I is for Ireland. Welcome to Ireland. It is known as the Emerald Island for its beautiful green landscape. We already did I. We did it for Italy. All right, so we're not gonna go over the I again. I will say one thing is don't forget that I can be like that, or you can put caps on it, on the capital, and make it look like this. Doop, doop, doop. Okay? So remember, there's both types of I's. All right? Because we already worked so intensely on the letter I, we are moving on. So we have G. G is going to be for Ireland's green landscape. So if you look at this picture, look, everything is so lush and green and beautiful. All right? All right, so one of those crazy letters, capital, lowercase. They look totally different. All right? Our G, our capital, if you take this off, kind of looks like the shape of a C, right? So we're kind of going to scoop around, and then we're going to kind of kick it in. All right, so kind of like a C or an O, and then give it a kick in. And then our lowercase, remember this hangs in the basement. One of those letters that goes down into the basement. All right, so with this one, we're gonna start at the top and we're gonna make a little loop down, and then we're gonna put our circle on. All right, so we're gonna go down almost like a J, and then loop it around. All right, so try that with your pen. Start at the top, circle it all around, and then give it a little kick. All right, lowercase, same thing, down into the basement, and then loop it around. All right, once you've practiced that a couple of times, you can use the Play-Doh from one of your other kits. You can use the sticky string or the wiki sticks and make those letters as well. All right, so we have our capital G is for Ireland's green landscape. Miss Rachel, do you see any more G's?
I do. I see some little G's, and there's 2 of them right next to each other in wiggle.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right.
I wiggled the table.
That's right.
Those are funny.
Those are some fancy lowercase G's, but the shape is similar, and you can tell they're the same letter.
There you go. All right, you ready for our guessing game?
Yes, I am. Let's do it.
All right, G, G, G. All right. All right, bear with me. What do you think that is?
I think that is a gumball machine.
There you go.
All right.
All right, let's go here. Okay, I know you love my drawings.
Always.
So funny. It eats grass.
Is that a goat, Miss Chrissy?
It is a goat.
Oh, perfect.
This is the grass it's eating.
Oh,
It's
the
eating
grass starts with G too. You got a 2
there
for
you
there.
go.
Yeah.
I didn't even mean to do that.
Yeah,
But
grass
there you
and
go.
goat.
Grass and goat. Gumball machine. Oh, I got one. You ready?
Yes, let's see it.
Well, my table is very wiggly today. Bloop, bloop.
That person is wearing glasses, and glasses starts with G.
Yep. And then there is another kind. Of glasses.
Is that it? Oh, like a drinking glass.
Like a drinking glass.
Yes. Yep.
There you go. All right, so once you are done playing with your guessing game, flip your board over. Oh, one more thing. Don't forget, top. I know we went over this yesterday. This is the outline of Ireland. it's kind of filled in with the flag colors. So we have the green, the white, and then the orange.
Yep, correct.
Okay. All right. Flip. All right. So flip your boards over. We are going to look at the top. This is just a little I Spy. Things you might see. 4-leaf clover. Have you seen them?
I've seen one in person. They are
Really?
so cool. Yes. If you
Yeah.
can find the 4-leaf clover, oh, it's such a neat feeling.
Lucky, 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 lucky. Okay. So most of them that we see are 3 leaves. It's 4-leaf clover. Very lucky. Very lucky. Then we have our rainbow, because we will see rainbows everywhere. Nice wet area.
That's right.
Our harps. They love their harp music. They love to play. Those harps are huge.
They are.
They are very, very big. Miss Rachel is musically inclined. Have you ever played on a harp?
I have not. They're kind of intimidating because I don't know if you can tell from these pictures, there are lots of strings on a harp. And they all make a different sound, and the way that you put your fingers on the string makes different sounds. I would love to try it out one day, though. I would love to.
I would just go, which people probably would not appreciate. All right, we have our Ireland flag. Kind of looks like Italy, kind of looks like Mexico. The only thing different is
This is orange.
orange, okay? Italy, Mexico is green, white, red. And now we have green, white, orange, okay? All right, if you look at the side, we have all of the words. Clover, first letter underlined. Rainbow, flag, map, and harp. Oh, I forgot about the map over here. This is the outline. It also has a little bit of color resembling the flag, but if you look, this is the outline of Ireland. All right, so let's look for our clovers first. Just give them a little mark, and give them a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like Lucky Charms cereal over here.
That's right.
All right, if you can write it, write it. If you can't, give us some dots. All right, rainbow. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, write it. Is that the only way I can write my 4?
There is another way. Perfect.
Okay. Boom, 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 boom. All right, our flag. We have 1 solo flag there.
There it is.
Okay, 1. Might see it like this as well. Boop. 1. All right, we have our maps. We got 1, 2. Okay, boom. And the last but not least, our beautiful harps. We have 1, 2, and 3. Boom, boom, boom. There you go. All right, if you look down, bottom, left, we're gonna do our little maze. We have our leprechaun. He's gonna get to our pot of gold. That's usually found at the end of the rainbow. Is that correct, Miss Rachel?
That is how the story goes, yes.
That is how the story goes. I have looked at the bottom of rainbow. I didn't see any gold.
Haven't found it yet?
No.
Gotta keep looking.
Nope, nope, nope. I have seen double rainbows.
Ooh, yes,
They're
so
beautiful.
pretty.
All right, so let's start our maze. Remember, try to stay in the lines. Ooh, squiggly. I can kind of look and see.
That's not
I'm not going to go up there.
Yeah, no.
It's kind of cool that the maze is in a 4-leaf clover here.
Indeed.
Good job, Miss Chloe.
And around. Let's keep going. Gotta reach that pot of gold.
All right, I know I can't go down there.
That's not gonna help. No.
I
We
know I
see
can't
where
go
it
there.
ends. Yeah, nope.
Getting close, getting close. I'm gonna
so
be
close.
wealthy. I made it.
There it is. There's the pot of gold. All right.
All right, and then as we made it to our pot of gold, we're gonna do some symmetry. Miss Chloe has already put the outlines for you to make it a little bit easier. So you just have to fill it in. All right, try to stay on the lines. Connect them all together. This is a little wonky right there. All right, and then let's see, we have our little cutout right here. And then if you look carefully, it's the other half of the clover.
Do you know another word that might be used instead of four-leaf clover if you're talking about Ireland? Some of you might know this is called a shamrock. So
Yes.
if you hear shamrock, that is the same thing as a four-leaf clover.
I want to go and find some shamrocks there. There's my gold. What do you think?
Perfect.
You like it?
Love it.
All right. When you are done, make sure you erase everything so that you can use it on a rainy day. All right, you guys.